Welcome to Romeo Maths and Science class. Today we want to look at how we can answer these questions on the board under the topic machine in physics. But before then, let us look at some mathematical formulas that we can use to answer these questions in machine. First of all, let us take it from mechanical advantage, all right? So we say mechanical advantage mathematically, as we can see on the board, we can use MA to represent it. Is equal to load, all right, into bracket, L all over what? Effort, as we can see here. So this is a mathematical formula that we can use for mechanical advantage. We can short it as MA is equal to L over what? E, as we can see. We can make effort the subject, as effort is equal to load over mechanical advantage. And we can also say load is equal to mechanical advantage times effort, all right, as we can have these things on the board. All right, let us also look at another term called velocity ratio, all right, velocity ratio, as we can see on the board, into bracket VR, all right, and is given as distance moved by effort, or we can say effort distance in short. Effort distance, all right, and let me use ED to represent it. Effort distance divided by our load distance, or distance moved by load, so LD, as we can see here. So here I can short it as VR should be equal to effort distance divided by load distance, all right? And you can be asked to calculate load distance. So load distance can also be given as effort distance divided by velocity ratio, all right? And effort distance can also be given as velocity ratio, all right, times, that is, load distance, as you can see here. All right, we can also have a formula under what we call work input, all right? Work input. And we say work input, all right, is equal to effort, all right, effort times effort distance, all right? So this is a formula that we can also have under work input, and we can also have a formula under what we call work output, which is equal to load, all right, times load distance, as we can see here, all right, load distance, as we can see here. All right, let us also look at another formula called efficiency of machine, all right? And we see efficiency of machine is given as, number one, we can say mechanical advantage over velocity ratio expressed as percentage. We can also say that, all right, efficiency of machine is equal to work output all over work, all right, work input expressed as percentage, as we can see here. And we can also have another formula, all right, for efficiency of machine as energy input. So energy output all over energy input expressed as percentage. So with this one alone, we can deduce more formula for efficiency of machine. So for now, let us focus on these few formulas here and see how we can use it to answer our question number 1. All right. So from question number 1, an effort of 2000 Newton. So an effort is given to us in the question. All right. The effort is 2000 Newton. All right. Then again, or move through a distance. So we have effort distance. Let me shorten it. Effort distance, ED, is given to us as 8 meters. Again, to raise a load of 4,000, so load is given. Yeah, load is given, which is 4,000 Newton. All right. And again, load distance is given, LD, load distance, that is 4 meters, as we can see on the board. So this data that we have, we want to use it to calculate mechanical advantage. So number 1, or A, mechanical advantage is equal to load over what? Effort, as we study right now. So our load, that is the 4,000, as we can see, and our effort is 2,000. All right. So when we divide this, all right, we are going to have 2. And don't forget that mechanical advantage has no unit, because the load is measured in Newton, effort is also measured in Newton, so they cancel out. So we have our 2 there. Again, let us look at velocity ratio. So the B part, velocity ratio, which is also given as effort distance over load distance. All right. But from the question, we know our effort distance to be 8. All right. Load distance to be what? 4. And when we divide again, we are going to have 2. The same, no unit, because distance, the unit will cancel out. Let us look at our C. All right. So with the C, we are looking for efficiency of machine. All right. And from the formula, we have plenty formulas, but from what we have here, we can use mechanical advantage over velocity ratio. All right. Express at 100%. So here we go straight. Mechanical advantage is 2. As you can see, velocity ratio is also 2 multiplied by 100. All right. And when we divide this, we are going to get, that is 100%, as we can see. So this is how we can apply these formulas that we study to answer these questions on the board. Answer question number 2 to number 4 and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.